Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and tonight I just wanted to do an updated video on one of my Knex Carnival rides. This is my zipper. I've made some improvements to it, and just thought I'd upload a new video and show you how, show you the changes I've made and stuff like that. So I'll get started. I want to show you how it sets up and how it looks and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with it. First, I'm going to turn the ride around because over here is the front. So I'm going to turn it this way. It's currently in its racked position. Okay, if you notice here on the front, one change that I made, I added some fencing, and it's right here on the front. So the first thing I have to do is take off the fence. I just take off some little blue clips right here, and I slide the fence off. Put it over here to the side for now, and I'm gonna put my little blue clips back where they were so they won't get lost. And once that's done, I'm gonna take these blue rods that are holding the fence on, and I'm gonna move them out to the side. And the reason I'm doing that is because when the ride is lifted and is in motion, these blue rods would be in the way. Okay, so that's done so far. All right, the next thing to do is to unlock what's keeping the main boom steady. And what I do to unlock it is take off some tan clips. I'll zoom in and show you. There's one on the back and there's one on the front. On both sides, I just disconnect like that. And I'll fold this out all the way to the floor. Same here. Fold this one out all the way to the floor. All right, same thing on the other side. Disconnect here and fold these down to the floor. All right, as you can see, that's what was keeping the main boom from spinning. All right, now it's time to lift the boom. Well, actually, I forgot, since I added some decorative support arms, I've got to take those off first, so I'll do that. If you notice right here, I just disconnect from here and I disconnect from here on this side, like that. And right here, I'll turn the boom so you can see there's a couple of red connectors holding the support arms together. Okay, that support arm came off over there, but it's okay. Here's one of my support arms. As you can see, I added the classic Chance arrows to the support arms. I'm gonna put one here on the floor for now. Okay. And on the other side, this one already came down. I'm gonna put it here on the floor. Okay. Now it's time to raise the main boom. And to do that, all I have to do is disconnect this black rod from a yellow connector. And once I do that, the main boom is going to lift up like this. And if you notice right here, I have a support arm, and the green connector is going to go to the black rod right here, and the gray rod is going to connect to the red connector back there. Okay, this is what we have so far. Starting to look more like a zipper. Okay, now it's time to unlock the cages, and that's simple. If you notice here in between the cages on the side, there's some blue rods that are holding the cages in place. So I'm going to take those off. And as you can see, when I do that, the cages are ready to start spinning. Okay, got the side ones off. Now it's time to take the one off at the top. It's a yellow rod. Give it a spin and take this one off. Okay, that's what we have so far. Okay, now it's time to put on my support arms. So to do that, I just okay, that's the right side, I'm sorry. Okay, if you notice right there, there's a little blue connector, and the rod is going to connect right there. Top of the rod for the support arm. And over here, same thing. Just connects right here. And so far, this is what we have. All right. Now it's time to put up the fence. So I'm going to start putting the fence up. The first piece is going to go in the middle. It's the opening gateway where people will walk through. And to make it stand, I just turn these little yellow connectors at the bottom like that. And I'm going to center it at the very bottom of the ride. Okay. Now it's time to go around with the rest of the fence. Same thing, I just twist the little yellow connectors. I'm going to do that all the way around to the support arms. Okay. Now we have the fence up. Takes a little adjusting. Here we have an almost completely set up zipper. I've got some extra pieces. The pieces that were holding the cages into place. And the red piece that was holding the support arms together, I've got to put those back on the trailer. So I'll show you where they go. Okay. I've got 4 blue rods, 2 yellow ones. Okay, right here, a blue, one here, and my yellow ones, one is gonna go there, and one is gonna go here. Like that. And for the piece that was holding my arms together, it's just gonna clip here and there, just like that. And now we have a fully set up zipper. Now, this ride does not have a motor or hand crank, any gears or anything like that. It just free spins. But what's cool about it is it gives an illusion when you spin the ride. It gives the illusion that the cages are actually rotating around the boom like a real one would, and I'll demonstrate that for you. Get back here at a good angle. You can see what I mean when I spin it. It kind of gives the illusion that the cages are rotating around the boom, and they're actually not, but the illusion that it gives is pretty cool. Okay, gonna give you guys a different angle. Okay. Excuse me. But yeah, that's the updated improvements I've made to the zipper. Mainly just the fence and the decorative support arms. Excuse me, I'm sorry guys. The zipper is a really popular ride. You can see them at just about every county fair you go to, every state fair, carnival, festival. It's a classic. It's a fun ride. Okay, I'm gonna rack it back down. So I'm gonna do this kind of fast so the video won't take too long to upload. The first thing I'm gonna do is take up my fence. And it all just folds together. Take off support arm. Take off this support arm. I'm gonna grab my pieces in the back so I can lock the cages back into place. Alright, got the cages locked. I'm going to put my support arms back down. Actually, first I need to lower the boom. This piece goes back right here. Okay. Now to put the support arm. Oh, I had it right the first time, I'm sorry. Okay. Here's my piece to lock the arms back into place. Like that. And now I just lift these pieces and lock the boom back into place. Okay, got that done. Now it's time to put the fencing back. Just move my rods back. Little blue rods. Take off my blue connectors. And the fencing is just going to slide back onto the rods. Like that. Put my little blue connectors back. Keep the fence from coming off. And now the zipper is ready to move. And go to the next location. Alright guys, that's it for the update on the zipper. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more videos. I've got some more rides in the works. So until next time, take care. Thanks for watching and happy